All right, logic and binary back at you here. And if you're wondering why I'm standing way over here in the somewhat background, is well, because I'm tired of sitting in the Sparkle Evo and whatever. I'm tired of this thing. So I got me a brand new office chair. Yeah. What? Wait, what? What do you mean it's for you? I thought we talked about. I thought that I gotta sit. You mean I still gotta sit in the Evo? All right, so I guess T God's getting a new chair, and I gotta help you build it. I gotta help him build it. What could possibly go wrong? Anyways, we're gonna put together this brand new Ergo. T God, put the info right here.
Autonomous.
See,
Autonomous.
that's how we help each other.
Autonomous.
So that chair, we're gonna put together that chair. Once again, the handy dandy SeeNew pocket knife, Amazon. Okay, let's go. Let's get this thing open. This I'm assuming is the backrest. Oh, this is the cushion. This is for sure the cushion that's here. Should be not heavy anymore. Oh my goodness. All right. There's the weight set, PS5, and some new Adidas. Cardboard and a starfish. Yeah. Ah, look. It must be from Houston. Okay, let's open this first because I'm assuming there's going to be some instructions in here. And let's see here. What do we have here? We've got a piston. Oh, it is a piston. Nice. Aha. Essentials after T got kicked my camera. All right, we got some wheels here. We got armrests, and we got another box. Yeah. All right. So first thing you want to do, always check to make sure you got all the right supplies, man. I know a lot of guys say, I don't read the instructions. I don't know why the hell not. It's the easiest way to do things. To make sure you do it right. I don't know. It's common sense to me, but anyways, yeah. So with the exception of these, everything else is one less than is described on the paperwork. Just an FYI, okay? So that's what we're doing. Moving forward. All right, we're doing step one, which is grab the Houston Asterix heaters, and we're gonna attach. Boom. Flip the base upside down. Insert the coasters. Oh, they're called coasters? Casters, sorry. Now these normally just snap in. I'm assuming they'll do about the same here. I hate these things. Yep. Ta-da! Step one. Step two, insert the gas lift into the base. That was easy. All right. Step three, screw all this shit in. Oh, look. I think there's a guy stealing signs behind me. See, went there. Dude, what color did you get? What? It looks like vomit green. Oh, sorry. Company green. Not company green. Oh, sorry. Voila. All right, let's see here. So I've got the base out. What are we gonna do here? And then G is the armrests. Voila! Let me see where your butt goes. Alright. So, I'm gonna guess they go this way. Alright, here we go. So get these tightened in. just hand tight. At the end of the day, if they're a little loose, T-Got can always adjust them later since he's the one that's gonna be sitting in his chair, not me. He can go ahead and just adjust them himself manually, you know, manual labor. And if there's a screw missing in his chair, I don't know, he can figure it out later, you know. So that's decent. That's good enough there. And his arm falls. Okay. Anyways, all right. Number 4. I have to do that. Woohoo! All right. So that's what I will do. Push it like it says to be pushed. Facing the right way and push this forward. I guess that's what it wanted. Well, I'll tell you this much. If it's not in place, we're gonna find out eventually. I need your hands. Oh, okay. Look, you see that? Ah, it slides forward. There we go. Now I got it. I got it in place. Yeah. All right, so what you want to do is slide it forward. The picture's kind of confusing, but I went ahead and slid it forward, locked it into place. It's not easy. It's better with 2 people, but we'll be back after this commercial break. There's no commercial break, but I'll be right back. Oh, man. Man, T-Got that gold? Man, where'd you get that shine from? From LeonRich? That's right, Shine by LeonRich. Follow him on Instagram. Get special event information, fine jewelry, name brand jewelry, 70% off. LeonRich, Shine by LeonRich. Follow him on Instagram. Follow us, and we'll get you event information also. We're back. We're gonna go ahead and finish building this brand new office chair. All right, let's go. Step numero 5, number 5. Put this on there. That's what we're doing. Again, read the instructions. It's completely simple. It's a completely different thing. I remember back in the days, I was putting stuff together using actual screws and just sometimes even drilling things, you know, using glue and things of that nature. This is the front. Why is this the front? Doesn't make sense. This is the front. All right. Labeled front for all of that didn't. Yep. Front. Right there. Front. Okay. Front. Breathe. Well, that's not too bad. I did notice this, these sliders are, I'm assuming, greased up. So be a little careful when you touch those. Okay, so bolt. See, for just a moment it escapes me. These are either fastening washers or tightening washers, something like that. I forget. But anyways, the open ones. Put one of those in. Then you get the other one. Remember, flat side in. Wait, flat side in, flat side out. Flat side out. Sorry. Flat side out. Yeah. Okay. So, anyways, here we go. Remember, if you don't have leftover pieces, you didn't do it right. We would hate for something to happen to T-Got while he's editing this video. We wouldn't like that. We wouldn't want that. So we gotta be sure. Uh-oh. That didn't sound right. T-Got had some beans for dinner. Sorry, you know. Hunger's a bitch, but the thirst is real. I like that. Look at this. It's all meshy. I have a really good Ergo chair at work too. And it is meshy like this, and this is, you know, to help you not sweat. And then you've got your Ergo little pocket here. I should move, but we'll figure it out. Anyways, let's go ahead and attach it. Oh, I need to figure out how this is gonna go on there. Huh. That's not gonna work. That's gonna work. Perfect. I had an Adidas box here. Alright. Adidas box. Coming back to help. Alright. She's not perfect, but I will make it work. This is definitely not the best way to do this. Since I'm all alone. Thanks, T-Got. Appreciate it. You lend me a broom. All right, let's try this again, okay? Oh, one job. All right, let me hurry up because T-God ain't gonna last long. All right, T-God, feel free to release. Just do it over there somewhere. All right, man, get out of here. Go away. Ah. And again, I'm just tightening these all by hand. Nothing major, nothing too tight. These can all be tightened up later if need be. I definitely don't want to strip them. Okay, so that's the one thing I don't want to do. And then lower the seat onto the gas lift. Hey, T-God. Cheaters. That's what I found. So we're gonna go ahead and per instructions, lower the seat onto the gas lift. All right, you got this? On the carpet right here, we got a nice little blue Art Deco carpet. I don't know what Art Deco means, whatever. Bye, Adidas box. Oh man, I gotta find a hole. Ready? Where is it? Ah! Where is it? Where is it? Did I get it? Did I get it? No. Where is it? I'm not doing this. There's gotta be a easier way. And it doesn't screw in, it just drops in. I knew it would roll away. On the first try, ladies and gentlemen. And then brand new office chair in under 30 minutes. That was more than 30 minutes? Thank you, T-God, thank you. We have one more part, ladies and gentlemen. Handy dandy SeeNew pocket knife. Get that thing away from me. Yeah, you gotta have parts left over, man. This thing's got a headrest? What? Nice. All right, headrest. Let's rock. Now remember, ladies and gentlemen, always go to the final page. Hey, you know what's funny? We really are gonna have some leftover pieces. I don't know where any of this goes. They're not labeled. They're extras. They're not labeled, they're extras. Haha, I told you, if you did it right, you had extras late. Ah, mic drop. Walking away. Oh wait, I gotta finish this, sorry. I'll walk away after this. So this just slides right in. Sorry, let me do that again. Okay, so this slides right in there. So you got two little holes, that's where these are gonna go, okay? So, boom, 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 here we go. So you might want to leave them on the tool because they're kind of far up in there, so you gotta kind of just leave them on the tool. And again, I kind of tighten that one, not very much, but enough to grab. And then here's the other one. Boom, boom, boom. And there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. Nice little Ergo chair. And you know, no matter what T-God says, I'm gonna sit on it first. No. Oh man, you know, this needs to be a little higher right here. Oh, there we go. Okay, and then, you know, the cushion is a little tough though. You know, yeah, the cushion is a little tough. The placement is nice. Nice. You know, you got your levers for the adjustments. It slides out. So anyways, This is actually a pretty decent chair, especially for office work. I do feel the ergo's kicking in right away. Now, I work in an office myself, and you know, it isn't easy to just sit there all day. It really isn't. It really puts a strain on your back, and it actually it's very bad for your health. For anybody that does work in any office or any type of work where you're sitting down a lot or doing any one motion a lot, you really need to walk. You need to really step away from your work environment and walk. Ergonomics are really important. Look it up, look up your job, whatever it may be, and look up, just educate yourself. Do some research onto what your job is and try to avoid future problems. Carpal tunnel syndrome is something serious. It's painful as can be, but it can be slowed down or prevented even if you work on your ergos right away, real early in your career. For everybody who's been in the career for too long, that's different. I'm no doctor, but ergos help. Ergos work. This is a pretty decent chair. I'm kind of liking it here. I had one more thing to say, but I forgot what it was. So I think on that note, what do you say, T-Got? That's a wrap. This is Logic and Binary again. I didn't do the right intro, but this is at LB Dexter. You got T-Got in the back. Once again, Logic and Binary at LB Dexter. T-Got in the back. Go ahead, follow, subscribe, like, all the good stuff. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying to the end of the video. Good night.
Yeah, hey, we can smoke, we can chill, we can do it all. I got a car outside, no roof.